talk about is I just paid $1,888.01 to get my car fixed, and the check engine light is on, and once, can you see the check engine light?
Yes.
Once I slow down, it'll start flashing. The miles per gallon is down to 13.9. Typically, when I'm just cruising along at 55, I get 22 to 27 miles to the gallon. The light on the air conditioning unit is not on. The console wasn't screwed together correctly. If you just pull up on this right here, you'll see it's not mated correctly. And the shift indicator down here is not connected. You know, I realize good help's hard to come by. For $1,800, almost $1,900, I would expect for my car to not have more problems than when I took it in. And none of this was an issue. The only thing messed up was the shifting cable. So I'll be taking it back. I called them today and left well, I didn't leave a message. I talked to Cindy. And she said to bring it in on the 11th because it's a 5-hour drive from here. I can't afford to drive there and drive back on another 14-hour day. So I'm making this video just for the sake of having a record of what's going on. And here in a second, the car is going to start running very, very, very rough. And I know you can't.
There it is.
It's going to die if we don't get moving pretty quick.
Not to mention burning fuel.
I don't know what the problem is, but I'm going to have to run this red light if it doesn't change pretty quick.
Good turn in there.
Okay, you can stop the recording. I got